Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio to your videos or photos in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project and upload the picture or the video that you want to add audio to. So here I have created a new project and also added a picture. Now in order to add audio, look for uploads at the bottom right here, click on it. Now in here, go to audio and click on upload files. And from there you can upload the audio that you want to add to your video or your photo. I have selected Drive, but you can also upload the audio from gallery or some other stuff or files like that. And after you uploaded that, it will be uploaded right here. Now all you have to do is to just click on it. And that audio file will be added to your project. Now in here you can adjust the length of the audio, you can increase it or decrease it. You can also adjust the volume of the audio file. Just click on volume and decrease it or increase it. I'll go for, let's say, 56. And after you're done with all that, click on play. And as you guys can see, an audio file has been added to my picture. You can do the same with videos as well. So that is how you can add an audio file to Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to a video in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project and upload the video. So here I have created a project. Now I'm going to upload my video. For that purpose, click on upload to the left side right here. And in here, go to videos. Then you can upload files from here. I will go for this one. I have already uploaded it. Just click on it and it will be added to the timeline. Now after you upload the video, go to audio section and upload your audio file from here as well. I'm just gonna do that one. Just click on it. And as you can see, the audio file has been added to my video. Now you can adjust the length of the audio according to your needs and desires. I'm just gonna reduce it a bit. You can also adjust the volume of the audio by just clicking on this button right here and just in the volume. I'm just gonna lower it a bit, let's say. You can also add some fade in and fade out effects to this audio. Just click on audio effects right here. And in here you can select the fade out timing and the fade in timing. And there you have it. You have gotten your audio added to your video. After that, you can just download it. So that is how you can add audio to your videos in Canva.